10 years old. I'm the co-founder of 10forthekid.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like, and subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. So I'm here with another video, and today we are gonna create a mystery game. Like, we are gonna make a game like choose your adventure. So in that you have to go, like, you have a very nice adventure. I had added only a bit. I didn't make it too long because the important thing is to know the concepts, right? So after you know the concept, then it will be very easy for you to make more and add more. So I'll first show you the output, right? So this is the code. Now let me run it. Okay, so I'll do this a bit, I'll do this big. Wait, first let me take you guys here. Okay, so type your name. My name is Saiasmi. Okay, welcome Saiasmi to this adventure. You're in a dirt road. It has come to an end, and you can go left or right. Which way you like to go? Okay, I'm a righty, so let's go right. You came to a bridge. It looks wobbly. Do you want to cross it or head back? I don't think so. I don't want to. I want to head back. A wobbly bridge. If it breaks, goes down. Still, I have bit powers. I can get up. Okay, so I'm wanting to cross as uh Oh, as like I if a wobbly bridge cannot break now. So if I go back, like, I really don't want to go back because then it may repeat. So yeah, you cross the bridge and meet a stranger. Okay, after I crossed a bridge, I met a stranger. Do you want to talk to them? Yes or no? Well, I am lost, so there is no choice. I'll say yes. You talked to the stranger and they gave you gold. Wow! You win! Congrats! Very good! Yeah, yes! I knew that was gonna work. Now let's come to the code. Okay. So first we want to get the user's name, as you saw. We have saved the user's name in the variable name. Then we are printing welcome name. So whatever the user types, that will come welcome name to this adventure. Okay. Now we are making a variable answer and giving input. You are in a dirt road. It has come to an end. You can go left or right. You may not see that left or right. Okay. You can go left or right. Which way would you like to go? So now we have to obviously check that which way does the user want to go. Does it want to go to the right side? Does it want to go the left side? Or it gives any other thing? So right, so we have to do all that. So first we are giving an if statement and saying if answer is equals to left. So basically, if the user wants to go to the left, then if it wants to go to the left, so answer value will be input. Okay, you came to a river. You can walk around it or swim across. Type walk to walk around and swim to swim across. Okay. Now, if the user has if answer equals to swim, basically, if the user had given like he wants to swim, then it will print you swam across and were eaten by an alligator. So over here, the game will end. Now, if this condition is false and we had given walk, so LF answer is equals to walk. So print you walked for many miles, ran out of water, so you have got lost the game. So like I walked too much, like long and long and miles. So I ran out of water, and you cannot live without water. So I lost the game. Now, if the user has given something else, so we can't like let it be now. So if the user has given something else, it won't go in this if statement, it won't go in this elif statement, it would go in the else statement and print not a valid option, you lose. Okay. Now, if the user didn't want to go to the left side, he wanted to go to the right side. So, when if else answer is equals to right, answer is equals to input come you. I want to change here. You came to a bridge. It looks wobbly. Do you want to cross it or head back? Okay, so like if the user wants to go right and he had written right, so it will go in this elif and and change the answer's value as like this input and get it right. So if I had written back, so you go back and lose, because you go back, then you will have to again cross the river and go there and here. So it will come basically, if you want to go back, you will basically come to the left side, right? And oh, in the left side you are like you're not winning at all. So yeah, so basically you if you choose back, so you go back and lose. Okay. Now if you've given cross, so it would say you crossed the bridge and met a stranger. Do you want to talk to them? Yes or no? So now, if answer is equals to yes, like if the in the input answer it is yes, so it would print you talk to the stranger and they gave you gold. You win, congrats, right? But if you did not want to talk to the stranger, you were like scared and you thought they can do anything to you, so it would print you ignore the stranger, they are not happy at all, so they kill you and you lose. And if they didn't give a yes or no, so they gave something else, so we can't let it happen, so print not a valid option, you lose. And these are the three else of this ifs, and this like no, not this, this is the else like of this like right, these are all the else's you will need to end up as. You need a else if you it had not written if or else if, right? So now I think we are done with the code. Now I will show you all the types how to play this game, and we'll play every way however you want to. Type your name. Okay, this time let's write I know my father is watching my video, so I'm gonna write dad. Right. Welcome, Dad, to this adventure. You're in a dirt road. Okay, my dad is in a dirt road. It has come to an end, and you can go left or right. Which way would you like to go? This time, my dad is also a righty. I and everybody always prefer right, so let's go right. You came to a bridge. It looks wobbly. Do you want to cross it or head back? So, my dad thinks that it's wobbly and maybe you can fall if it is that. But till he thought that he has powers, so he writes cross. So you cross the bridge and met a stranger. Do you want to talk to them? Yes or no? Now, my father always says never talk to strangers at all, at any cost. So whatever he tells me, he always does that. So as he has written no, so you have ignored the stranger. They are not happy at all. So they kill and you lose. Oh dear, so my dad has lost the game. Oh no. Now, this time, I will go to the left. Okay, this time I'll give my mom. Okay, welcome, mom. I love this how it's written. Welcome, mom, to this adventure. You're in a dirt road. It has okay. So my mom is in a dirt road. It has come to an end, and you can go left or right. Which way would you like to go? So my mom selects left. Okay, you came to a river. You can walk around it or swim across. Tight walk to walk around, a tight walk to walk around, and swim to swim across. So my mom is a very good swimmer, and she knows that if you walk too much around, she didn't have lot of water, so I'm just making it on my own. So she wants to swim. You swam across and were eaten by an alligator. Now, let's run this again. Now let's see, like, okay. So now it's my brother, Gupta. Okay, wait, why am I? Subscribe. Oops. I can't believe it. I wrote the spelling wrong. Subscribe to Saiasmi, myself, and then exposure kids. So this will seriously look hilarious how it will come. Welcome, welcome. Subscribe to Saiasmi, myself, and thanks to the kids to this adventure. Oh my god, so funny. To this adventure. Sorry. You're in a dirt road. It has come to an end, and you can go left or right. Which way would you like to go? Right, please. Okay, so I think it's wobbly, so I want to go back. You go back and lose. Okay. I think so. I've shown you all the ways. Right, so like you can see, like i had only did this much cause so that you get the concept. You can add any more and more. Like, let me just give you an example of adding a bit more. Only I'll add 1 to 2 lines, like like we can add an incident that in the left, when it goes in the walk, like you ran out of, you walked for many miles, and you can write like you were gonna ran out of water, right? Would you drink water from the river? river or 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 walk and try to find try to find find like find find someone like would you drink water from the river or walk and try to find someone so that they can tell you, share with you water, right? So if I give here if I want like from the river, drink from river, okay, river or walk, okay, and now you write inside here, okay, and now inside here in this only you know kind of write ifs, like you must have understood, like if answer equals to drink from river, drink from river, right? So like then it can say, it can print water was dirty, you are unwell and lost the game, right? Game, right? So this will take a bit too much time, like I'm just telling you, like you can add as many as you want, like any new adventure and have fun, and you can see my quiz video too, so that you can make a quiz and challenge your friends and your parents if they know about you or not, and you can have fun with this choose adventure game and make your family members play and have fun. And guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video, learned a lot, and I hope you are not you're gonna add many more things in this, make it more adventurous and be more creative, right? So yeah, thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. That's 3, 2, oops. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1.